Welcome to a little trip to Jupiter system with piranha.dl. We have just arrived in the Jupiter system and reveals a wonderful sight of the Jupiter system. In the foreground we see the Jupiter moon Europe, and in the far background the wonderful Jupiter. The small point in front of Jupiter is the moon Io. The blue lights at the poles of Jupiter are Jupiter's auroras, like the polar lights on Earth. Now we travel around Europe. Europe is a moon of Jupiter. He has more water than Earth. Now you can see the ice reflections, the reason the surface of the moon is made of water ice. Now some facts about Europe. Europe has a diameter of 3121 kilometers, and is the fourth largest moon in our solar system. The temperature on the surface of Europa is -150 degrees. But it is thought that under a crust of water ice from one could be located up to 100 kilometers deep ocean of water, also perhaps even life. Now we fly, with 1/4 light speed to the most active object in the solar system, Io. The way to Io is dangerous. Due to the gravity of Jupiter, many small objects are attracted, like asteroids. Io is the closest moon of Jupiter. The powerful gravity of Jupiter generated an enormous tidal power to Io. The result of this tidal power is heat. A special feature of Io is an extreme volcanism. No other object in the solar system has more volcanic activity, such as Io. Io has an average diameter of 3,643.2 kilometers. We just see an eruption in the northern polar region. During this eruptions, liquid sulfur and sulfur dioxide, emitted at speeds up to 1 kilometer per second in temperatures from 1000 to 1300 degrees. Because of the low gravity on this moon, reach a height of the eruptions 300 kilometers, the materials fall back to the surface and build massive deposits. Our next goal would now actually Ganymede, but this moon is now on the other side of Jupiter. Therefore, we now travel to Callisto. Now we travel again with 1/4 light speed to the moon, Callisto. With the diameter of 4821 kilometers of Callisto's second largest and is the outermost of the 4 major moons of Jupiter and the third largest moon in the solar system. Callisto is almost as big as Mercury. Callisto has the highest density of impact craters in the solar system, and the reason of this impact craters is this. The moons, which were accessible to us, we have visited. We remember the moon Europe, which has more ice than the Earth. Io, the moon with the most volcanic activity. Callisto is constantly bombarded by asteroids. The Jupiter system was previously a system of superlatives. Now we devote one of the most spectacular planet in our solar system. The famous Jupiter. Jupiter has an equatorial diameter of 142,800 kilometers, and is the largest planet in the solar system. With a distance of 778 million kilometers from the Sun, is this the fifth planet in our solar system? Due to its chemical composition, it is one of the gas planets. Gas planets, also known as gas giants, they have no solid surface. As one of the brightest objects in the night sky, it is named after the Roman chief god Jupiter. Jupiter has an important function in our solar system. Because it is heavier than all other planets combined, it forms an essential component of the mass balance in the solar system. He's stabilized by its mass to the asteroid belt. Without Jupiter, would hit every 100,000 years an asteroid, the Earth and life would be probably impossible. Jupiter is a planet of superlatives. Its diameter corresponds approximately 11 times that of Earth, or 1/10 of the solar diameter. He added with 1.326 grams per cc, as all gas giants, a low average density. To represent the size of Jupiter, please look at this example. About 100 times the Earth fits into the Jupiter. That was our trip through the Jupiter system. I hope our little Jupiter documentary was informative for you and you like it. Important: all 3D animations have copyright by piranha.dl. Thanks for watching.